Have you ever seen those beautifully woven nests hanging like ornaments from trees? They're not made by humans, but by a tiny bird with the heart of an engineer, the Baya Weaver. In this video, we'll explore the incredible journey of how this little architect struggles to find materials, chooses the perfect spot, and patiently weaves one of nature's most fascinating homes. Welcome to another episode of Life Sounds Earth. High in the grasslands and palm trees of South Asia, a tiny architect begins his work. Meet the Baya Weaver, a bird that builds one of the most remarkable nests in the world. But before the weaving begins comes the struggle. The male must search far and wide for the perfect building materials. Long grass blades, palm strips, or rice stalks are not always easy to find. Strong winds, grazing cattle, and even other birds often steal or damage the fibers. Every strand he gathers is hard-earned. Finding a place to build is another challenge. The bird needs a thin, flexible branch that can support the nest's weight, yet hangs safely away from predators. Sometimes, after hours of effort, a chosen spot breaks, forcing him to start all over again. Once he finds the right place, the male begins with a single knot, the anchor. This simple loop will hold the entire structure together. With patience, he weaves strip after strip, pulling and twisting each one with his beak. The nest begins as a hollow chamber and slowly grows into a strong, hanging globe. Then comes the most important part, the long tunnel-like entrance. This isn't just decoration. It is a clever defense, making it difficult for snakes or crows to enter. During the breeding season, the male undergoes a stunning transformation. His crown and breast turn bright yellow, and chestnut streaks appear on his head, making him look vibrant and striking. The female, on the other hand, remains in her dull brown plumage, perfect camouflage against predators. Juveniles look similar to the females, with soft brown shades that help them blend into the surroundings until they grow older. Building takes days, sometimes weeks. But even after all the struggle, the story doesn't end here. The female inspects the nest carefully. If she doesn't approve, the male must abandon it and begin the entire process again, from scratch. Only the best-built nests are accepted, strong, secure, and beautifully woven. Each nest is a story of persistence, struggle, and survival. So, the next time you see these woven homes hanging from trees, remember the determination of the little weaver who built it. Proof that even in the smallest of creatures, hard work and perseverance create wonders. Before we end, let us also share some background about these beautiful birds, their habitat, and the challenges they face today. The Baya Weaver is found across South and Southeast Asia, from India and Nepal to Bangladesh, Thailand, and beyond. They prefer open grasslands, farmlands, and wetlands, where tall grasses and palm trees provide perfect nesting sites. But today, these tiny architects face challenges. Rapid urbanization, cutting of tall grasses, and loss of wetlands reduce their natural habitat. Climate change also disrupts rainfall patterns, affecting the availability of nesting materials and food. Currently, the Baya Weaver is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List because it is still widespread and found in large numbers. But local populations are declining in areas where agriculture expands, pesticide use increases, and natural grasslands disappear. Protecting their habitat and maintaining a balance between farming and nature is key to their survival. The story of the Baya Weaver is not just about nests. It is about resilience, adaptation, and the delicate balance between humans and nature. If we protect their world, we protect a small but vital part of our Earth's natural heritage. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, just share it with your friends and family. Together, we can create awareness about the importance of these small birds in our ecosystem. With that, we are signing off. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we bring you more wonders from life, sounds Earth.